Alright, so you have clicked on this video because you want to learn how to summon the Wall of Flesh. So in this video I'll be showcasing how to summon the Wall of Flesh in Terraria, and what exactly you're going to need to defeat the boss easily without having to go through too much trouble. And let's dive right into it. So, let's get into how you'll actually defeat the Wall of Flesh, the weapons you'll use. There's two really effective weapons that you can use against the Wall of Flesh that will deal a lot of damage and that will kill them fast. The Beanade, which is a little complicated, and the Molotov Cocktail. So the Molotov Cocktail, we'll go over that first. You'll need a furnace, a sawmill, a keg, and a loom. So you'll need some wood, you'll need lead bars to make the sawmill, you'll need some cobwebs to make silk, and you'll need some sand to make glass. So I'll show you here. First you want to craft some mugs, as many as you need. And to craft mugs you need glass, which is crafted from sand, as you can see right there. Cool, we have a bunch of glass. Make your mugs. Then you want to head on over to the loom, and you want to craft your silk. Silk is made from cobwebs. Craft a couple of those. You can see tons of silk. And that would be it. You need, to make the Molotov cocktail, you also need gel, and you need plenty of torches. So you want to stand next to a workbench, or I think this is free craft. Yeah, you can make this wherever. You combined 5 ale with a torch, a gel, and your ale, right? So you'll have yourself 15 Molotov cocktails. They do 23 damage each. It is a very effective weapon that does area effect, as you can see. Got your little fire effects. If you throw multiple of these, as you can tell, there's going to be tons of destruction. Just keep tossing them. They do a lot of damage, and they're very effective against the Wall of Flesh. The next weapon would be a Beanade, which is crafted using beeswax and grenades. Grenades are purchased from the Demolitionist or found in chests underground and above ground sometimes as well. And the beeswax that you need is obtained from defeating the Queen Bee, which is a little difficult. You'll have to set up an arena underground in the jungle. You'll have to locate a beehive as well, which is a little difficult. But once you've done that, you'll be able to obtain your beeswax after you defeat the Queen Bee. Once you've done that, you've crafted your weapons, I'll show you how to summon the Wall of Flesh. Alright, so you want to make your way to Hell, and how you do that is by digging straight down. As you can see here, I've made a large hole just from spawn all the way down. You're going to want to locate Hell and find one of these demons. These demons will be carrying a voodoo doll between their feet. This guy does not have one, so we're just going to get rid of him. You're going to want to stay down here, and they're quite rare, the demons that are carrying the guide voodoo doll. They are kind of rare, so you should make a battle potion. You can, the recipe for that is on screen right now, and I'll show you what they look like as well. So that would be the voodoo demon that's carrying, they're called voodoo demons, they're carrying the little guide voodoo doll. They look just like this, and you're going to want to kill them in a place where there's no lava, and you want to collect that guide voodoo doll. Once you have that, you will successfully be able to summon your Wall of Flesh. But before you do that, you should make sure that you have a very large arena prepared for you. So you want to start from wherever you started your hole. Your hole would be over here. For example, you just want to make a large arena all the way across, just like I have here. With any abundant block you have, could be wood, could be stone. You can turn stone into bricks and then make this type of platform. You should make a very large one so that you'll have to do a lot of running from the Wall of Flesh. So to ensure that you're capable of doing that, you should have a very big platform like I've shown you here. Finally, I will come back once I have obtained a guide voodoo doll myself, and I will show you how to defeat the Wall of Flesh himself. Alright, so I am back with my very own guide voodoo doll, and before you start the fight itself, I recommend drinking a bunch of buff potions, as they will help with the fight itself. You don't want to be underprepared. You can drink a bunch of iron skin potions, potions that increase your damage, potion of wrath, all that good stuff. You can find the crafting recipes online if you really want to. It's not necessary, but they can help you out with the fight. Things like armor, accessories, etc. Anyway, so once you have your guide voodoo doll, like I have here, you want to go ahead and drop him in some lava. You want to find a pool of lava here, and you want to drop him inside. That'll summon the Wall of Flesh, and this will kill your guide, as you can see in the chat. And you just want to throw your Molotovs at the Hungries. You want to throw your Beanades at them. You want to make sure you're avoiding all the Hungries, the tentacles. because they will grab you and pull you in. Yeah, that would be bad for you. But I didn't craft enough Molotovs and grenades to defeat the guy, so I'm just going to use my Zenith. But as you can see, that did a fair bit of damage, just purely using what I had on hand. The Molotovs and the 15 grenades. He was down quite a bit of health, and after you do that, you should get an emblem, a pawn hammer, and a couple of other goodies that I've lost in my inventory here. But that would be how to summon the Wall of Flesh and successfully defeat him. Well, there you go. There's a guide through doll. Cool. But I hope you guys have learned something from this video. If you have any other questions, any comments, I'm happy to answer them. And I'll catch you guys at a different time.